If you want to outline anything in GIMP, whether it's text, a logo, or a cutout photo, this tutorial will show you the fastest and cleanest way to do it. It's a simple trick, but once you know it, you can make your design stand out in just a few minutes. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy GIMP tutorials. Let's jump in. First, you need to select the subject you want to outline. This only works properly if your object is sitting on a transparent background or if you already have an active selection around it. If you're working with text or an object on transparency, go to the Layers panel, right-click the subject's layer, and choose Alpha to Selection. That instantly creates a selection around the visible parts of the layer. If you're working with a photo or an image that has a solid background, use a selection tool instead. You can use the Fuzzy Select tool by pressing U or the Scissor Select tool if you need more control. Click or draw carefully around your subject until you have a clean selection. The better your selection is here, the cleaner your outline will look in the end. Now that your subject is selected, the next step is to expand the selection. This is what creates the actual border space around your object. Go up to the top menu, click Select, and then choose Grow. A small box will appear asking how many pixels you want to expand the selection by. This number controls how thick your outline will be. For most images, something between 10 and 30 pixels works well, but you can always adjust it depending on the size and resolution of your design. After entering the size, click OK. At this point, your selection should be slightly larger than your original object. Now you need to create a separate layer for the outline because filling directly on your main layer could damage your artwork. In the Layers panel, click the Create a New Layer icon at the bottom. Name it Outline so you can easily identify it later. Then drag that new layer underneath your original subject layer. This way, the outline will appear behind the object instead of covering it. Next, make sure the outline layer is selected. Then choose the Bucket Fill tool by pressing Shift and B, or by selecting it from the toolbox. Before you fill anything, set your foreground color to the outline color you want. This could be black, white, red, or any color that matches your design. Once the color is ready, click inside the active selection on your canvas. GIMP will fill that expanded selection on the outline layer, creating a clean border behind your subject. And now for the final cleanup step, go to Select and choose None. This removes the marching ants and lets you see the finished result clearly. If everything was done correctly, your object should now have a solid, clean outline around it without affecting the original layer. This method works great for logos, transparent PNGs, text graphics, stickers, thumbnails, and all kinds of design projects. Once you learn it, you can outline almost anything in GIMP quickly and easily. If you found this helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next GIMP tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.